Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the antenna on your Dodge Ram 1500. First, gather your tools, which typically include an adjustable wrench or a 14mm wrench, and your new antenna. Park your Dodge Ram 1500 on a level surface with the engine off. Wearing work gloves can provide a better grip and protect your hands. This simple preparation makes the entire task much smoother and quicker to complete. Now let's remove the old antenna. Firmly grasp the base of the antenna, right where it connects to the fender. Using your wrench, or even just your hand if it's loose enough, turn the antenna counterclockwise. You'll feel it start to loosen up. Keep unscrewing until the entire antenna mast is completely detached from its mounting base. This step is usually quite straightforward and takes less than a minute. Before installing the new antenna, take a moment to inspect the antenna mount. Look for any dirt, grime, or rust that might have accumulated around the threads. Use a clean cloth to wipe down the area, ensuring it's completely free of debris. A clean mounting surface ensures a secure connection and optimal performance for your new antenna. This quick check prevents future issues and guarantees a snug fit. Finally, it's time to install your new antenna. Carefully align the threaded end of the new antenna with the mounting base on your Dodge Ram 1500. Begin turning the antenna clockwise, hand tightening it until it feels snug. Then, use your wrench to give it a final quarter turn or half turn, ensuring it's securely fastened but not over-tightened. You're all set to enjoy clear radio reception.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.